Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about made in China Chinese shopping app. And in this video, I will show you how to cancel order on made in China. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to be a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and open up my Made in China app. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon. And go ahead and click on my order. Then you have all your order right here. For you to cancel any order, go ahead and click on these three dots right here. And this is going to pop up. Go ahead and click on cancel order. Next thing you want to do here is to state the reason. So I'm going to choose order right here. Then go ahead and click on submit. So you have to state some of the few reasons right here. I made a mistake while adding products cards. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on submit. Cancel successful. Just like so. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to use Made in China shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.